The program now AS E DEY HOT, and as we see for studio, the matter they very, very hot. And we'll quickly go through the rundown of the major stories we will present for that today. I will tell them about EFCC and the chook inside them, this thing, that inside them, the matter of that is the former governor of Oba of State, that is Apkabio, that's Godwill Apkabio account. We can also give now the pardon matter where involve the speaker and also this thing, that is Oga Abdulmuni Jubri. Where speaker come and talk, say pardon no be offense. And from that one, we can also give now the one we concern dialogue with militants. And then from dialogue with militants, we can also give now the Naija Army versus Boko Haram. I want to say at least we see casualties, about 11 soldiers also spy for the matter, and also they also try their own ensure say at least they capture about 57 and also buy like 8, and from there we can give now also the story about Oba of Iba we return home safely. But the question we come to ask, we surround that one now say okay, what to be the negotiation where they involve, and considering the fact that these people demand for a particular money and how they take play them out, what think the police force do to ensure that at least the man come house safely without paying any particular ransom. For viewers who they watch us for Go TV, Star Times, My TV, and on free to air, the program still very much on. And very soon, we'll go open our phone lines for now to the call and contribute for the matter.
You see, Nkubi, we need to do a lot more. Because as a comrade, when we say every day they speak for Nigerians, when even they should say as Nigerians, they house now, they hear me, they raise my voice on their behalf. All of them, they look say yes.
May I ask you about this pardon matter? Make we be very sincere with ourselves. Not necessarily try to defend within the on ground, but we could also see the defense of the House of Rep people. When they talk about this party, say, oh, look, by the time if government, that if the executive do it, if the executive will submit budget to them, now they are right to also check the budget. I've not be so. Once they check and finish, they will say, okay, make we add. If there are a couple of things where they feel say they missing, they'll call Adam. You understand? Adam. So if they add them, they will still give them back to the executive to sign. And by the time the executive they sign, and the executive don't see waiting they add, and also say, okay, make we give approval. If the executive or their own part, no, they too happy with, now their own job to also return them back. But as long as the result now on the table of the executive to do it, to carry out the final signing, and also on the part of the legislator, they also feel say, okay, make we add this particular money for this project, make we add this one, make we add this one. Chkwudi, for me, I don't know as I will take argue the matter. Just like say somehow. The law give room for this National Assembly to also play their own role when it comes to the budget matter, and I believe that is a sign of it they play out. So to me, but in as much as they see them like this, look also ask questions. The money itself, waiting it really there for. Because if the executive don't submit a particular sum, where it's not their responsibility to suspend that sum. And when they see legislators what they do it, when they return out with their own additional money, what you know those additional money they for?
Very, very true.
You understand?
You see, those where they represent us for government, they're very obvious. Say, plenty of them don't get the interest of Nigerians at heart. People they talk about system, say the system no good, the system no good. Okay, system when no good. Who spoils system, make system no good? Now human being. Who go change system, make system good? Now human being. Who they fold hand, they look system when bad, make it continue to the bad? Now human being.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, we go still blame ourselves for what they do. Then for a very long time, we don't get Nigerians when we say they no care about politics. People go tell you say since they don't do election for this country, I never ever vote. Some people they talk say politics is a dirty game. Politics is a dirty game. Good people go sit down for house. Bad people go they do waiting they good for them.
Things they go bad. The same good people.
Everybody go go somewhere.
Complain.
The good people go complain. The good people go complain. Go they talk say God send us a helper.
When they not involve themselves.
When you don't involve yourself for government. Okay, look we look the story of the former governor of Akwa Ibom State and the present minority leader of the Senate. He served as governor 8 years. Now he is Senate. Oh, senator, distinguished senator.
Yes. After they collect money for us.
They collect pension as first governor, they collect money as senator now.
Yes, yes.
108 billion naira. 108. Akwa Ibom is an oil. Akwa Ibom now. Akwa Ibom, as Akwa Ibom did like this. Like now, waiting former minister talk. Say if they spend the money when they're supposed to spend for Akwa Ibom for the land of milk and honey. Akwa Ibom.
Then they even spend based on the amount they collect. Then they even spend.
Then they spend the one where people go lose. At least we are working now. What are you complaining? Didn't we build road?
So is that the
how can an oil producing state now they refer to as civil service state? It make any sense?
What is that?
So the only two industries no there or they no plenty. na civil servant.
Just you don't talk about Chkwudi.
How is that possible?
The way they talk about.
Even talk the one wey go bust your head.
No.
Then talk say.
Not my head go bust. Don't talk the way go bust my head. Just talk the way.
All these parties scandal over here. Your head never bust.
Your head never bust.
Because now your people.
Because you said
your people.
We are Nigerians.
They say this former governor, 10 people, 6 people, the time when they come for reconciliation, that time when they get issue, the South leaders. He said, make they give everybody 1 million. Make they take and go buy, I don't know whether if I call the name of the company now, they go to say the advert.
Make they go buy.
Those companies where they do meat pie and this thing. Say, make they give, he talking with confidence.
So make they do it.
Make they give the leaders of the party from that region, the 6 of them, make they give them 1 million, make they take and go buy that company where they do snacks. The way Mr. Ade the front, make them go buy snacks. Make them use them, chop them. 1 million. Now somebody when the governor open him out talk.
50 naira, 100 naira.
Who they swallow spit?
1 million naira, which means see, 1 million naira na like wait how much for that? Na like 50 naira for that one be that. That's what they're trying to tell us.
100 naira self.
100 naira. Oga Isa, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, we hear you. Talk to us.
Hello?
Good morning, right on.
Okay, hello.
Yeah. We hear you, Oga Isa.
I want to be part of the program I'm watching. But...
You're already a part. Talk to us. We hear you.
Okay. On the aspect of one person will be collecting 2 salaries, is that not?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, continue.
You see, my concern is this. I don't know we, the poor ones, where we're so careless and fool ourselves. We just sit down quiet. We don't act. In fact, it's the time for us now, as we have a good president to work for corruption. We should all go on the street, ask these people to go. Because like somebody like Saraki, he has enough. He cannot be there again, be routing more money. How can you be collecting from your state and you are collecting from a Senate? It's unfair. Because sometimes when you look at yourself working, especially in Abuja, you are going out, you'll be looking at yourself, these people, are they the real Nigeria when you are fake?
So the kind of life where those people they live.
Corruption they have, get to. They root all our money, no good roads, nothing. Anything they ask them to do with money, they will not do it.
So, Oga Isa, you hear me?
Yes.
So, you talk say even for Abuja, when be the federal capital, you get some places where we say many of them don't even believe say they be Nigerians because of the way some other people they live their life.
My brother, man, tell you, me I think say Saraki say Nigeria when me I be fake. I don't know if me I dey talk now. If I see you where you dey, I know what did your name say? I for say me we go on the street, me we carry leave. May they tell us whether will be foreigner or will be
Nigerians.
Oga Isa, we don't get this your important contribution. Thank you very much. Continue to watch as e dey hot. We hope say this week as e dey continue, we go to contribute the go. Oga Solomon, they call us all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, welcome to as e dey hot. Thank you for your patience.
Solomon, good morning.
We dey hear you, Oga Solomon.
Right on.
Chkwudi,
Oga,
let me ask one question. Me, I'm not the APC guy, I'm not the PDP guy.
Okay.
The way this starting thing, not be about before time the thing don't start. It don't exist before now. That's why they see the try. They happen every year in the past government. Okay? So when the money the thing because the APC just enter and APC just start on. It's been going on before. Does it make it right? No. You don't make it right. Alright? What do they need to see Nigeria? We only want to talk, we know the back of our talk with action, and then the problem lies. If they Nigeria deliver, fine now. If we don't carry flyer about Abuja, protest, not be too people at that time they carry women go to protest Abuja. By now they're supposed to go to protest. Imagine that they watch Channel News, the guy when I spoke person or so, they saying a party issue. This is not a party issue, this is a Nigerian issue. See, me I like Buhari, but if they don't fight this thing, or you say Buhari, if I say advice, I may just forget corruption case, you're born. If they don't fight this matter, when it got to do with APC member, then that means the war on corruption true, now one-sided. That's what I say.
Okay, Solomon, thank you very, very much for that contribution. You also drop your own voice concerning the matter we don't drop. I will get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Bobby.
I support with the Solomon talk,
Okay.
If Buhari not fight this matter, it go mean say na one-sided something they do. I support that one. I'll go ahead to me myself. I go campaign against them. So on my own, I go do my own campaign from abroad here against them. What I want to put aside the pardon. Who they accuse say pardon is not
an offense.
It's not a crime. But what they call a forging of papers, they are corruption. You understand me? So those are the charges we're supposed to face. Because there is no law written in the Nigerian Constitution about pardon. But say forging of documents.
To favor particular,
fraud. So that one a fraud in commit. So he saying a lawyer, me go check again, that a fraud in commit. So me know that one. So now I want to add to the whole thing.
Yes, thank you very much, Oga Bobby, for that contribution. Everybody voice they actually think on this particular matter, because in all sincerity, Chkwudi, in all sincerity, just like say our leaders sometimes that's what we always talk, say big grammar, take confuse Nigerians. I don't know whether now waiting they play out here. Okay, pardoning is not an offense. What then is an offense? Waiting be the appropriate steps. Waiting be their own part. At least we also know the strength or probably how far a particular House of Rep or Senator will go in trying to ensure, say, okay, see what is supposed to do, see what not supposed to do. So at time all this confusion we just get, we're not going to get them because this particular matter don't go on for long, and they don't come and talk say pardon no be offense. Why be now we say meetings don't play out one or two places? Now we know say yes, pardon is no longer an offense. We'll get a caller. Good morning. Good morning.
Vincent from Anambra.
Vincent.
Good morning.
Yes, Vincent, would they hear you? Talk to us.
Good morning. I want to make contribution.
Yes, would they hear you? Continue.
Good morning.
Yes.
Chkwudi.
Oga Vincent, I greet you.
He knock the nail for head well.
Thank you, sir.
You see, waiting you they talk, the thing where you they fire this morning now waiting they happen. This APC government is clueless. They don't get direction. All the promises where they give us, no one has been fulfilled. They talk about the meal program. They talk about the Boko Haram. They talk about rebuilding the economy. You see, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Nigeria is not moving. Nigeria is standing on a cake of gunpowder. Because if things are working well, there will be no agitation. There will be no bombing of oil pipeline. You don't need to fight people. You don't need to do all these things. But because the government is clueless, because the president is surrounded by men who don't have integrity, things are falling apart. Look at what is happening in Olympics now. It is more than luck. Let me say it was more than luck that made Nigeria to win Japan. 5 hours to the beginning of the game, Nigerian players were still in the plane. So whatever you are saying, let them hear. Let them understand that the masses are suffering. No program is intended to alleviate the problem of the masses. What they are doing is that they ensure that whatever they do pleases them. So this is not governance. It is like military, or let me say it is like tyranny. You know, look at the anti-corruption crusade. It is lopsided. One-sided people. You are talking about these people taking money for campaign. What about the campaign the president used to campaign for himself? What did he do? How did he get the money?
Oga Vincent, you don't raise very, very important points. And what you they try and emphasize now, say, government must do everything to use ensure, say, it not be like, say, that they protect some people and then they protect some other people. We get Oga Phillips. Oga Phillips, we don't they wait patiently on top of our telephone line. Oga Phillips from Wari, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Phillips. Phillips, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes,
Good morning,
we hear
Oga
you.
Phillips.
Continue.
Hello, Chkwudi.
I dey hear you, Oga Phillips. Good morning.
I salute you. Waiting I want to talk, we say, Rome is not built in a day
Okay.
of the truth. We get one governor, what they call Ibori, for Delta State. The man walk. The period when he enter, kata full everywhere. Fight for riverine area here and there. Before he take the man another 2.5 years before he settled down, be able to do something. What do make me make that comment? They say, Buhari, now 1 year and some months now. You know the man when they handle corruption, when they fight where he go take block all the avenue, when we say the people say they thief before. Now the man they block who. We need to be patient of the truth. Hey, wait, even your own house. When you pack on your house, before you go scatter the things when you get, went from another house, come reach that house. Before you go settle some, it more than 1 year. So what they try to talk, we say, for Buhari side, make Nigeria try patient. The man is doing his best. And the best, only Nigeria say it's not enough. But I want to say that the time never too late at all. 1 year something is not too late. Then after that one, they talk about the other one. When we say, they say, he said that day together they talk one language. After I don't see president come outside, he say he read the law. You see the language? I read the law. Pardon is not an offense. Well, to me, I'm not a liar. I'm not even news analysis. I'm never go anywhere. But waiting at the year make me say, as an experienced person who don't do this life, stay small. 70-something years, not be small thing. So I did get a small experience. It's my experience when I get a local experience. But then when I read the law, if wait till they hear from other country, they say when they indict a person like this, they go give away small.
Yes.
Come out from the place, step aside small. When they step aside, then the people will be able to get clean mind to do look ground on what you need to when we say that they accuse them for. But Nigeria case, we say, I not go come out. They go find way to block all
Sit
that.
down on top. Still ensure see that matter no work out.
Now that one, I did pay me part for the whole thing.
Thank
Oga
you very
Phillips,
much.
thank you
Oga
very,
Phillips,
very much.
we appreciate this, your important contribution. And we dey pray say, people like una wey get passion for Nigeria, even though una don't advance for age, may God keep una first, una continue to the talk. I appreciate the fact that you talk, say, Rome was not built in a day. Make we give the government time. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue to take calls as it get to do with your contribution for all the action TORI we don't carry come from weekend. We'll come back. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside the world. I go clear my throat, mention all of them one by one. If you know they watch us on top of channel 98 for GoTV cable, on top of channel 195 for Star Times, on top of channel 17 for my TV, you dey miss. But you get the chance to still watch on top of UHF 57 for Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and also www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Tell your loved ones, tell your family members, say that action TORI where they discuss all the topics where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. They get the opportunity to watch and also contribute based on saying that we be the only democracy when they inside television. Ezugwu Chkwudi and nkubi dey inside studio and we dey discuss 5 of the TORI wey carry first for inside news for this weekend when pass. So EFCC they chook eye inside the account of former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Godwill Apkabio, as it get to do with about 108 billion naira for money and property when they talk say he just carry put for him pocket from 2007 go reach 2015. Pardon scandal, the more you look, the less you see. Oga Yakubu Dogara don't come and say he don't read our law book. Based on saying be lawyer, say pardon, no be corruption. Plenty Nigerians going to say, hey, she be like say when it come to APC matter, any bad thing a good thing, and any good thing, I don't even know what to talk. The third one get to do with dialogue with militants. When we say some leaders for inside the Niger that don't come and say kole work. Say if you dey dialogue with militants, when be their children, I know carry the papa them along, we will tell them say, children, listen to the government. Say the thing no go work at all. And the final 2 stories get to do with our Nigerian Army and Boko Haram jagudapeople for inside Niger. It come be like say the Boko Haram jagudapeople won't talk say we don't destroy. Somehow they come again because they talk say as at this morning 12 Nigerian soldier people now don't buy. They even talk say 2 of them now officers based on say they be commissioned people for the Nigerian Army. And the final one get to do with the Oba of Iba land. They talk say people when kidnap him, he just use his own leg waka go in house. People go to wonder say shey we get police for inside this state at all, and shey dem pay money to release them. This is now all the stories we will discuss on top of AS E DEY Hot.
Yes, going by our last caller, Chkwudi, you hear the piece of advice he give you and also give me. And that same thing they tell you, say, look, Rome, even if you know state them in my own language, say Rome was not built in a day, which means this government, I believe, say this government actually get plans. But then we know how some of these plans they play out. The person will carry good intention, always they carry good intention, but still, some kind hands, some kind, extended hands go they, go they distort the plan. But I believe that same plan, we go do it, we go actualize them.
All this Rome was not built in a day, but at least the land they dig foundation, they pour gravel, they arrange
the foundation now just gradual process. We don't try and sure say we lay blocks,
Which block? Block of budget padding scandal.
No, blocks to take elevate.
Block of Fulani herdsmen killing people anyhow.
Now gradually.
Block of Boko Haram killing 12 Nigerian army people.
No, gradually.
Block of kidnapping. When we say even the kidnapper, people don't even to say, okay, when I do what I even want, carry the Oniba they go. We don't even need king again. They're going to release them by himself. Block of unemployment. Block of 17,000 naira bag of rice. People don't even fear to even do party again. You come and tell me say block.
Oga Bobby they call us back.
You could not even tell me anything about block. Block what?
Oga Bobby they call us back. Oga Bobby, welcome back to AS E DEY HOT.
I want to add something to the whole thing.
Yeah, right there.
Concerning, this is not about the party, but concerning governors and all that for during election time. Even with the happened of recently, say, for internet. Any governor, when they share rice or food items they give you, and when he states civil servant never receive salary, now you don't take that in, call them accountable for what they share they give. Don't take that food because you don't think of tomorrow. You are thinking of only now. If they give you a pinch from your own money when you're supposed to eat, this is what you're supposed to do for your state. If they give you crumbs from the bread, so you as a citizen of that country, you they take that crumbs. Then you got the support and say yes, if you do something, then you are supporting corruption. You know they make your country to move forward. So those are the things I want to say. Nigerians get to understand. Not because if he give you crumbs and he not do anything, what do you go eat tomorrow? So make Nigerians know that thing well. Because these are the corruption and the support that they give to them. You understand me now? So those are the things that make them come out that mindset. Hold them accountable for what they do happen for that country. That's my contribution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You don't already emphasize, say, we supposed to get government when they're very, very strong. And not be government will go be like, say, just like what your guy Isa from Abuja tell us. He just be like, say, sometimes go look, say, am I a Nigerian? Because I go to my country. When they live like, say, I come from country when they're very, very far. When they look at other people, when they drive big motor, they live life like, say, now them this country, therefore, they wonder what the country
is about. Guys talk, it is very visible. I mean, make we also look at, make we take this typical example and explain this part. Okay, I'll say whether he go look himself and look the kind of lifestyle our leaders they live, ask himself, make you take the issue of the IDPs as a typical example. If these IDPs, for instance, were foreigners, they can't treat them like this. We could talk, so maybe because they are foreigners, they're not full-fledged Nigerians.
True.
But these are Nigerians. We will say, for the various camps then they die in their tents every day. That is, then you're going by the record, they will get about 20 to 30 IDP people, they die every day. Calculate that figure. Then you come to ask to say, okay, fine, change the people where the leaders want to say this thing they play out. We don't see the issue of IDP, they don't talk about them since. You understand? So now to tell you, say, Oga Isawe talk also, don't also reason and well to put that kind of statement down. And to all sincerity, in all sincerity. Now what will it be like? Now what will it be like?
But what do we as Nigerians go feed do?
Now that is the question, what will we go feed do? Because for me, if I start to give suggestion now, they could say, I know why you understand that kind of thing. It's not so. Nigerians in their tens, in their hundreds, maybe they just come out reasons, okay. we don't dey go through these things. We need to reorientate ourselves. We need to reorientate people who are among us. Please they understand what leadership is all about. We'll quickly collect this call. Good morning. Oga Harrison from Lagos.
Yeah,
where they call
morning.
us from Lagos?
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Harrison.
Yeah, I like your program, the one on the talk. You see, what the thing here be say, if Buhari they find corruption, is fighting corruption in this country, it should start from the people that who rule this country, because it's not only Jonathan started ruling this country. Look at the time he was doing campaign. He went to Tulumbu house. He quoted Tulumbu, whether in the same car for his house. All the whole promises he made, I vote for him personally. I vote for Buhari because they say change. I will say, okay, maybe we change because PDP don't rule us for 16 years. Till now, all the whole promises he made, he never fulfilled anything. Look at these people he's talking about, these girls, bring our girls back. Up till now, there's nothing like bring our girls back. We are not hearing about that one again. They don't sweep, bring our girls back, put under carpet. That one, you don't go. Whether these girls, they don't come back, they never come back. We know. Nobody talk about it because we know, say, Ezugwu Chkwudi, and why was making campaign, bring our girls back. During the time of campaign, this is one of the things. The youth, the people say that from if you go school finish, they will be paying you money. Nobody talk about that one. Again, Buhari continue fooling us. During the time of Buhari was the military. The same Buhari, they bring, what they call it, war again discipline. The same Buhari now don't come again. Come bring another one saying they fight corruption. Turn them under corruption. It's no war again discipline again. Please, make it help me tell them. We are suffering. Bag of rice now. I heard you say bag of rice 17 naira. It's not 17,000. It's 19,500 now.
You even sabi the real price.
Real price now, 19,500. So please help me tell them. If Buhari want rule, make him rule well. Because me, I don't see anything when they rule. I don't see at all. We are suffering. If we go this Niger Delta people fight, if you see where they are living, you know, we even talk. You go say to fear one. So please help me tell Buhari, make him rule this country well, because the way it's going now, brother, everybody they suffer. Kerosene now is 220 naira. That's the kerosene for now price of kerosene now. Now firewood will they take cook. Charcoal now is 400 naira for one small charcoal. Brother Beck, help me tell and make you rule the country well. Thank you.
Harrison, thank you very much. I did very sure the nkubi don't hear, because as you when they put the brother, he really showed the way when we say the thing they pay you for body. Quick one, we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back. Hopefully, brother nkubi go really carry the message.
Why you coming?
He call you. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. From here, when we so now, the final bus stop on top of AS E DEY HOT, now we look so. And all the calls we want to collect since we start the program, now calls when we say, it they really show the mind of plenty Nigerians. Plenty people they talk and say, we support corruption and we must ensure, say, we pursue corruption. But if it can't be like, say, that corruption, if you reach one place, we they put small break, make it not be like, say, we won't jam the corruption as it get to do with, say, the people when they there and people when we say, we know, or somehow, they be our people. Now we say, wahala don't enter inside. Oga Solomon from Chicago been talk and say, say they draw here, give Oga Presido. Say if Oga Presido no follow this particular one, he go just advise am, say, I beg. Just face the ones when we say Nigerians, when we even feel make Nigerians happy, because they be like, say, you know, serious at all. But plenty Nigerians, they confuse. Say, it be like, say, for inside the political arrangement of Nigeria, some people, whether APC or PDP, they sabi play this thing where and as they play them, as Nigerians, they suffer, they go just they blow small breeze. Make the thing they make our body they cold small, and now waiting Nigerians then they complain about.
See, if I go hold on to one particular statement, I won't bring back the statement where Abdulmuni Jubril talk about this particular matter, where he talks, say if we no fight this particular matter, ensure say we fight corruption. Say corruption no go ever fit succeed to fight him, because he don't, for him to just put down evidences. And yet, from the action films we they see, just like say the evidences, don't they turn still, no be anything. You have to tell you, say, we need to revisit that statement. We will collect this call. Good morning. Who they call us? Good morning. Okay, Moses. Good morning.
My name is Moses.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Wait till your voice come low today.
Well, sometimes the situation they do, you get certain situation where they call for certain
because Chkwudi, they tell you truth. You know to say your voice low today.
No, not about telling me the truth. Me, I know the truth.
Your voice been loud before. Your voice come low today because that's the truth that they tell you.
We all know what the truth is.
When Biocheck case come out, they blow fire from your mouth. I see this government where would they now lie with the lie to ourselves. Because if you check every list from minister where our president carry, every one of them corruption they attached to them. But they're not going to look that side. This one where National Assembly they do now. Now our president first discovers he says something is wrong. But they no fit out within the wrong that time. Nobody say they no. But because na party, Nigeria I will they watch this one, we see how I want to take end. If Dogara say him be lawyer, say nothing like padding, but there is forgery, there is stealing.
Which are offenses as well.
Because lawyers have names to give to it. Nobody go give name. There is nothing called scam in our law book. But when they won't carry you go court, get them where they will give. So we they watch. And Kubi, they are the way to make they hear your voice.
No, you go.
Every promise where they don't give us, we never see anyone happen. So we see they watch.
Oga Moses, have faith, have faith. The change.
This faith now, the coming of Jesus Christ. Know what we did? We did.
Oga Moses, thank you very, very much for calling and for also contributing your own quarter to the matter. That is the Nigerians from all the causes we don't get so far. Because it's the Nigerians really. Then they para. I don't go. I use the word para because they para, and then from their tone and from the contribution, we don't say yes. The issue about corruption. Now be the highlight of this whole thing. We'll drop like how many stories, but this one, because of say corruption, now be the major thing we say where they affect every other system where they happen to Nigeria. You understand? Corruption now don't cause our country with the situation where it is right now, and that's why I believe say if Nigerians, we always talk, if Nigerians go bring down come down collectively, say okay. This particular matter, we could know as we could take and ensure, say this thing, we bring a full stop to them. Not even stop, a full stop to them. Then, at least we could see such action they play out from Nigeria. We will not say, yes, we get where they head to. But if we just say, this is bad, and we're not take action, they full them up. Now, if they bad, now just talk, good they talk, or things will be getting bad. Because these people, what will they talk about? If they get feeling, I don't know, except if probably they don't keep their feelings somewhere. Come we are carrying that to wear for body, because they show us. I mean, now what we need to ask ourselves. It's our own right to also make sure, say that feeling where they forget, that true feeling where they forget, they go carry and wear and back.
Very
we got another caller. Good morning.
No, we don't get any caller.
Oh, sorry, I think we get another caller.
We just emphasize to our people when they for house, say, Nigeria and a project when we say concern all of us. At the age where we say we go stand up, they look, say, you know, concern me, anything where they like me, they do, God go provide for me. You know, they work again, because if we don't participate, those where we say they don't get the interest of the general people for Nigeria at heart, they will continue to do the country anyhow, and all of us go to suffer them. Make we get country where we say we go feel they proud of. Make we get country where we say our children when go come after us, go look, say, okay, yes, so our papa them then try their best to see say them build this particular country. Now, while on top of our serious, we will continue to discuss this matter. So you self get the opportunity to watch us, and you self get the opportunity to contribute and talk up. Because those who say they matter and they do waiting go move this country forward, then they hear this program in the language when everybody understand. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke. We appreciate all our people when they watch. We appreciate all those when they call. Those when try call when the thing no enter. We appreciate you now. Until we come back again tomorrow.
Yes, now bye.
Brother. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, Press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.